Hi guys, Dr. Pugh here with a quick word on drafting. Some of you have never drafted. Some of you are very used to doing drafting, and some of you are only used to doing drafting with, for example, an outline in front of you. I don't have any preference as to how you draft. I just want you to do it. So those of you who like to have an outline, go for it. Make an outline. Those of you who don't know where to start, don't panic. I'll have a word for you in a second. But here's what I want to say. Remember that drafts don't have to be good. Drafting is designed to help us get over the fear of the blank page. And it's designed to put words on the page so that we can then make those words better. The writer Anne Lamott talks about the fact that every writer makes what she calls shitty first drafts. So go ahead, get a shitty first draft on the page. Take as many words as you need. Don't stress about whether or not it's good or bad. Just get words out there. If you're one of those people that's stuck and doesn't know where to begin, let me offer you a suggestion. Work with the tools we've used already in class. Create a summary, then go back to Mike Bunn's How to Read Like a Writer and answer those questions that he asks you to answer. That will help you get some words on the page. And then using the tips in conversation and they say, I say, you can begin to massage those words. You can begin to help work to start working them into a draft. Again, remember, it doesn't have to be good. It just needs to be on the page because once it's on the page, we can start to work with it. So get out there, put some words on the page, and have a little fun while you're doing it. Let me know what questions you have. Charlie says good luck.